Hello, my name is Hudson. I am a caffeinated human and a store leader at 787 Coffee. The Aeropress is a simple and easy to use coffee maker that produces a rich and delicious cup of coffee. In this 787 Coffee Brewing Guide, we will be giving you a step-by-step guide on how to make an Aeropress at home. The first step is to grind your coffee beans using a burr grinder. For the Aeropress, you will need a medium fine grind. Once you have ground your coffee beans, you will need to heat your water. The ideal temperature range for brewing coffee with an Aeropress is between 175 degrees Fahrenheit and 205 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your water is heated, it is time to assemble your Aeropress. Place the filter in the cap and screw it onto the bottom of the chamber. Place the chamber on top of your cup and add the coffee grounds. Pour water into the chamber, making sure to saturate all of the coffee grounds. Stir the coffee using the paddle provided in the Aeropress kit. After the coffee has steeped for the desired amount of time, place the plunger on top of the chamber and press down slowly. So go ahead and give it a try. We guarantee you won't be disappointed. Stay caffeinated and keep watching our Coffee Drinks Explained guide, courtesy of 787 Coffee, a from farm to cup coffee experience. Sustainable growing process roasted to perfection and brewed with passion and love.